Hello everyone, and also hello to all my dear students. As we are running in pandemic situations, so I was taking online class for my students, and I could not finish up the problem. I ask all the students to go through this video to get complete that problem also. So we'll move to the problem now on the chapter same value of supply, subject indirect tax 2. The problem, this is a problem from one textbook that is here. I don't know whether it is visible or not. Fusion Limited, Delhi, is a supplier of machinery used for making bottle caps. The following information is provided. The wholesale price of the machine is including all taxes and expenses. They have given 45 lakh. The following incidental expenses, that is handling and loading charges 50,000, installation and commission charges 1,50,000, transportation cost paid to a separate agency with service contract 60,000, additional 1 year warranty cost is 3 lakh, cash discount of 2%, that's on the price of the machinery offered at the time of supply if it is paid within 15 days. And for every machinery supplied, the company receives a grant of 2 lakh from its agency, and they have given that the supply is within the state and GST rate is 12%, and they have asked to compute the value of supply and also the GST liability. So we'll see how to solve this problem. Before that, I'll give the explanation. So here the supplier is nothing but the Fusion Limited. Delhi is the supplier of machinery, and they are supplying they are in manufacture of bottle caps, and they are supplying that, and the information is given. The wholesale price of the machine is given, that is the supply 45 lakh, that they are telling excluding all taxes and expenses. That amount what is given is that excluding all taxes and expenses. So when you calculate the value of supply, I told you have to take the agreed value or the base price as the selling price. Here the wholesale price is given, that you take as the base 45 lakh. And before moving to expenses, you read the sentence very carefully. That is, they are telling expenses are all excluded. And I told any expenses with relates to the selling and distribution, and all expenses the time where the supplier gets agreed to supply to till the date delivery of the to the place of delivery of the recipient, all expenses is to be added. And as they stated, expenses is not included means you must go for adding the expenses at the time of computing the value of supply. The expenses is like this. First is handling and loading charges, it is not included, so you have to add 50,000. Installation and commission charges, it's of the part of selling expenses, so you add 1,50,000. And next, transportation cost paid to a separate agency with service contract 60,000, so that is also added here to the wholesale price. Warranty charges cost 3 lakh is also added. A cash discount is given, that is 2% on the price of the machinery offered at the time of supply. So any discount given at the time of supply or which is agreed and which is shown in the invoice, then it is the discount is deductible. And they are telling a company receives a grant from here, that you cannot see there something. It is a grant of rupees 2 lakh from the its recipient supplier company, I think. So 2 lakh is the grant received, that is from the private agency, means it is to be added here. So they have asked to calculate the value of supply and GST liability, and the sales, it is the within state. So we'll see how to solve. You take the base as the price of the machine, 45 lakh is given, and for that you take add the following expenses. So these are the expenses. They are in the beginning itself they told it is not included. So if it is not included means you go for adding it back. Handling charges, so 50,000. Installation charges 1,50,000. Transportation charges 60,000. Warranty charges 3 lakh, and grants received, that's also added here, 2 lakh. So total you get is 52 lakh 60,000. And the discount, cash discount is given 2%. So calculate 2%, and they are telling it's on the price of the machine. So the price of the machine is 45 lakh. So you calculate 2%. So it comes around 90,000. So if you deduct the discount, the final amount is 51 lakh 70,000. So that is the taxable value of supply. And at the same time they are asked to calculate the GST liability. GST liability is given is 12%, and the sales is within the state. So within the state means you should be knowing which GST is to be applicable, whether IGST or SGST or the Union Territory Goods and Service Tax. So as it is within the state, you apply the GST at the rate of 12%. I have taken one more problem, that is Sri Krishna Private Limited. It's a registered dealer. They furnishes the following information to goods sold to Sri Balram Limited in the course of interstate. So interstate means you have to apply the IGST, Integrated Goods and Service Tax, you have to calculate here. They have given the price of the goods. The supplier is Krishna Limited and the recipient is the Balram. The price of the goods what they are supplying is 1 lakh. Municipal tax is given 2 lakh. Inspection charges 15,000. Subsidies received from Shriram Trust, it is given. As the product is going to be used by blind association, so they have stated that is amount is 50,000. Late fees for delayed payment, in the bracket they shown that though recipient made late payment, but these charges are waived by the supplier. Waived by the supplier means it is not considered to calculate the value of supply. Next point is that recipient paid weighment charges on behalf of the supplier, that is 2,000. So according to GST law, they are asked to, they are telling, determine the value of taxable supply made by Sri Krishna Private Limited, and it stated that items given in point 2 to 0.6 are not considered while at the price of the goods, in the price of the goods. Means that here the 0.226 is the expenses, that is from municipal tax till the expenses of the weighment charges. They are telling that it's not considered in the price of the goods, means it is not included in the price of the goods. Now you go for analyzing those expenses. If it is includable part means you must go for adding to the price of the goods to calculate the taxable value of supply. So you take the base here, the price of the goods. The price of the goods given is 1 lakh, and for that you write add the following expenses. In that following expenses you take one by one. They are telling municipal tax is not considered, so you add municipal tax here. Inspection charges is also not included, so you go for adding inspection charges 15,000. Third point, subsidies received is given. So with respect to subsidies, if it is from government part means you are not going to consider or add it to the selling price, but if it is from private or from other agencies means you have to add the subsidies. So you take subsidies 50,000. Next, regarding late fees, what they are charging for the delayed payment is 1,000, but here the supplier is waived off that. Waived off means he is not going to charge that 1,000 to the recipient. Waived off means here you are not going to add it to the price of the goods. Okay, and weighment charges is given, so you also take weighment charges 2,000. So you take the heading price of the goods 1 lakh, and for that you add municipal tax 2000, inspection charges 15,000, subsidies 50,000, late fees I told it's waived off by the supplier, means you don't consider here, you take it as nil. Weighment charges is given, so it is to 2000. So you add all these expenses, so you'll get 1,69,000. So that is the taxable value of supply. And they have asked the GST, they are telling it is interstate supply. So interstate supply means you have to calculate the IGST, integrated goods and service. You have to calculate at the rate of 12% on 1,69,000. So these are the two problems which I have calculated on the value of supply. So you go through this video. Once again, if you have any doubts what I have done on the online class, so you make it clear. So thank you. So thanks for watching. So keep subscribing and ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲಲ್ಲ ಹಾಂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ ಎಂಡಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಮತ್ತಿನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಸಾಕು